Okay, this is a preview of the GeoTheme app, soon to be released. It's in beta and will be released for our current members soon. First of all, this is it running on the iPhone simulator via Xcode on a Mac. We've just installed it here on the simulator, so I'll just open up and I'll run through some features, just walk you through the features. Okay, this is the opening screen. You see we've got 5 buttons: featured, browse, location, account settings, and about. Let's start off just with about. The about screen you can change from your back end of GeoTheme on your website. You'll be able to just put in some HTML code through a WYSIWYG editor, and let's go into that one. As you can see, you can put in pictures, you can put in some text, you can put in anything you'd like, links to other pages, a contact form, anything like that you can put in there. In here you have 2 buttons, the back which takes you back, and version, which will just show you the version, 0.1 beta. Okay, let's go back. That's about it for about for just now. Account settings is where you can log in, where you can register. You can sign up now and register via the app, or you can connect with Facebook and it will register you via Facebook API. I'm logged in as admin, so it's got coming up as logout, but usually just put in your email address or your username and password and click login. And go back. Location is obviously where you change the location. I haven't really got one city in here on the everywhere city. This was made before version 3 of GeoTheme was envisioned, so it doesn't have the multi-state or multi-country or neighbourhood as of yet, but I'm sure that will be built in the future. This has the original city changing. You have the nearest button, but it doesn't work in the simulator because it just keeps on thinking it's in California, which I guess where Apple is. So you can change between cities and it'll tell you which one you're currently selected. Let's just leave it on Philadelphia is fine. Let's go back. I should have mentioned there that the nearest obviously takes the GPS position from the phone and will locate you to the nearest city. And let's go. Browse and featured are pretty similar. They're where you view your listings. Let's go to browse first, which is just show you how it works. In here it has your different categories with your different icons pulled from your website. I'll tell you how many are in each, and you have a map button. You also have this little drag down sort option, which you can change different places, events or blogs section. So for example, if we change it to events, it'll show you how many events you have, and blogs, it'll show you how many blogs you have. Let's just stick with events, places for now. Let's go to hotels, for example. It'll load up a list of hotels which you can scroll through. Also, if you pull it down, there's a kind of search box which is hidden, which you can start typing stuff in. Let's just search for the first one. EWS. Now it'll just pull up just that one, or if you typed in hotel or anything else, it would search through the hotels in that category. So let's go back out of that. Once you're scrolling through, you'll come to a button that says load more. You can set how many listings are there by default in your back end of GeoTheme. You'll be able to set how many per page for faster or slower loading depending on your server and things like that. Simply clicking more just adds the next amount of listings. You can tell the featured ones that are highlighted here, and just the ones that aren't featured are there. And you also have the map button, and now this changes to the sort option, which is highest rated, most comments, and your nearest. Obviously nearest isn't going to work in the simulator just now, but I have it on my iPhone and it works perfect. And there isn't very many comments or anything like that just now on this demo site, so I can't really show you that, but trust in me, it works. If we click on the map, it should load up the map with all the markers for hotels. There we go. You can drag that about. You also have your satellite options and hybrid and your standard. Same kind of idea. You've all used maps on the iPhone, or people that have iPhones have, I'm sure. You can click on a marker, it'll tell you what it is, and you can go to it if you want by just clicking on that one so it opens up. Let's go to this hotel. Now this is the listing view for now. I'm sure it'll be changed because we're still in beta. But in here you have the star rating, well, you have the name of the listing, the star rating, the date it was posted, the address, which if you click more will give you directions from your current location to that address. You have a scrollable, usually, description, but it's not scrollable because it's a very short description here. And in here we have the pictures, which if we click on a picture, we can flick through the pictures as such, and click back to go back to the listing. We have the website address, email, Facebook, Twitter, and any custom post fields will be in this wee section as well, which you can scroll through. And you have the add review button, so you can add a review, put in your star rating, however many stars you think it deserves. And you can also add a picture with your review. I'm not sure how this will work on the... Okay, I have no photos in the simulator. But usually you just choose a photo from your gallery, or you would choose to take a photo via the phone camera, and then you'd go back here and just click submit, and that would input your rating. Let's put one in actually. Let's correct my bad punctuation. Okay, I didn't actually correct it there, but anyway. Let's give it 4 stars, and we can't add a photo because we're in the simulator. Let's hope it posts on the simulator actually. Comment posted, hey! And next time we go to that listing, it's not there. Okay, it's not there because it probably needs approved because I have comment settings. Let's approve it off screen and go back again, try that again. Here we have my review, and you can click there. If you've got a big review, you'll be able to scroll through the text and see the photo and things like that in here. And all the reviews will be placed under there. And now it should have a star rating as well. I've got 4 stars. You can also view individual places on the map, so okay, now it's using my GPS thinking I'm in California. You'll be able to see your position on the map relative to the listing you're looking at. I hope that is California. Yeah, California, yeah. Let's go back, and pretty much you can just browse through the categories. You have the sort option, the events blog, you can go to events, flick through them, load more, go in and comment on them, search through them, browse them on a map. You also have the add new, which you can add a listing from within the actual application. Now there is the ability to add the listing here, but there's not the ability to update it, so you can add it while you're there and then you update it from the website. And the add new page needs styling, so, and I don't think it's working in the simulator as of yet, so we'll come back to that another time. It is tested on the phone and it works with PayPal. Go ahead and pay and it'll be published, and works fine. Let's go back, talk about featured. Featured is just going to be an extra place where you can add in listings that you want. It can be top rated, anything like that. You'll be able to change the different sort options of featured. Just now, I think it's just got all listings loading in here. Just maybe I'll buy newness. But from the back end of your GeoTheme, you'll be able to change that and be able to change that button to anything you want. So it'll be top rated or most commented or anything like that. And again, you have map options and search options, and you have the add new button. And just going into them the same way. Here's one with a longer description that you can scroll through the description. And then the same again, add review, you've got your other things, flick through the photos. And let's see if the directions will work from here. I should open it up in maps, give me directions, which it doesn't if it, I don't know if it will do here. Nope, looks like it's, what is it gonna? Would you like, yes, you're gonna think I'm in California, but we'll let you, right? Okay. Okay, it's come up here with directions from your GPS position, which I think is California, to the position. You can change it by car, walking, cycling. Usually on my phone it opens up on the actual built-in maps, but obviously the simulator must not have that installed, so it's come up in a browser. But pretty much that's the basics of the application, and any questions, just post them below. Thanks.